when I first started reading this book, it wasn't very interesting because it just told me that Jack was running away, but then when he got onto the train, it got a lot more exciting, and then he saw two men dressed in black. He didn't know if they were together, and one of them was a hijacker, and on the station he had met this young girl about his age called Hannah, and she was blind, so he helped her. And there was an old granny, and she was also a hijacker, so she gave a toffee to Jack, and then Hannah said, "No, I really don't want one, I don't like toffees." And then she said, "I insist you have one." So she had it, and they had sleeping pills in, so it made everyone go to sleep. But Jack and Hannah knew that someone was up to something, and there was also another hijacker called Brenda. So they all hijacked the train, and when Jack and Hannah did go to sleep, the granny went away and had a fight with the train driver, and tied his hands together so he couldn't do anything. And then when there was a tree in the road, so when Craig and Brenda went to do that, the granny also helped. So Jack went out of the train and into the cab to see what had happened, but that he couldn't find anyone. So then the door opened and he hid, but then they had to stop again, so he ran back, and then for some reason the train started to slow down,